All right, today we're going to talk a little bit about your toolbox and organizing your toolbox. This is my personal toolbox. I've had it for a few years. I've had my tool collection for many, many years. But no matter big or small, it's nice to have your toolbox organized. Some of the reasons for that is, number one, you can find a tool when you need it. And it's that way you can keep your tools safe by having them organized. If a tool's missing, you'll know it right away too. So, give you a few items here. I've got pliers in this particular drawer. I've got some specialty pliers here as well. Here again, these are a lot of items that you might not normally see in a toolbox, but I do a lot of work on high performance stuff, so I've got a few extra tools. Sockets, I've got my sockets organized. This is all 3/8 drive. I've got metric on one side, English on the other. What I like to do is I like to have my sockets on small racks. I can carry them over to the area where I'm working. If I know I'm working on an English part, I'll take English type sockets. And I've got 1/2-inch drive. I've got them set up the same way. I've got the sockets on racks. I've got the English on one side, metric on another side. Same with your hand tools. I've got my English tools. This is all English. I've got a few different varieties of tools. Your standard combination, boxed in, open in. And it's kind of nice. I've got a double set. You never know when you're going to need more than one. So most common ones, I've got a pair of them. Kind of a luxury item is the stubby wrenches for getting into tight spots. And I got the metric tools. Same way, I've got a couple different sets of combination wrenches. They're nice for, you never know when you're going to need more than one of the same size when you're working on a project. Screwdrivers. I've got a variety of screwdrivers. It's always nice to have a bunch of different sizes. One item that is kind of neat that I've used recently, I've got some crocheting needles. They're very nice for fishing wires. You can reach in and grab a wire with one and pull it out. So you don't necessarily need to have an automotive or a mechanical tool. You can use whatever suits your needs the best. Got a selection of hammers. You need an assortment of hammers from large to small. All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video here, and I hope maybe you learned something and get out there and get yourself some tools and get organized and have fun working with your hands.